Group 18 elements. Group 18 consists of 7 elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and organozone. These are gases and chemically unreactive. Therefore, they form very few compounds. Because of this, they are termed noble gases. General characteristics of group 18 elements. First, electronic configuration. The noble gases have stable configuration of Ns2Np6, due to which they do not take part in chemical reactions under ordinary conditions. But helium is an exception, which has an electronic configuration of 1s2. Second, ionization enthalpy. Due to stable electronic configuration, these gases exhibit very high ionization enthalpy, and this ionization enthalpy decreases down the group with increase in atomic size. Third property, atomic radii. Atomic radii increase down the group with increase in atomic number. The fourth property is electron gain enthalpy. Noble gases have stable electronic configurations, so they have no tendency to accept the electron, and therefore they have large positive values of electron gain enthalpy. Physical state. All noble gases are colorless, odorless, tasteless, and monoatomic in nature. Solubility in water. Noble gases are slightly soluble in water. The solubility arises due to dipole-induced dipole interaction. The solubility increases towards down in the group. Melting and boiling points. They have very low melting and boiling points because the only type of interatomic interaction in these elements is weak dispersion forces. Helium has the lowest boiling point of any non-substance. It has an unusual property of diffusing through most commonly used laboratory materials such as rubber, glass, or plastics. Chemical properties. Generally, noble gases are least reactive. Their inertness to chemical reactivity is attributed to the following reasons. First, the noble gases except helium have completely filled Ns2Np6 electronic configuration in their valence shell. Second, they have high ionization enthalpy and more positive electron gain enthalpy. No true compounds of argon, neon, or helium are yet known. Compounds of radon have not been isolated but only identified. Example, radon difluoride. The compounds of krypton are fewer. Only the difluoride has been studied in detail. Compounds of xenon. Xenon forms the largest number of compounds as compared to any other noble gas. This is because of its low enthalpy of ionization. Xenon forms stable compounds only with highly electronegative elements such as fluorine and oxygen because they can pull out electrons from xenon. Xenon fluorides. There are 3 common fluorides formed by xenon: xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride and xenon hexafluoride. First, xenon difluoride. It is prepared by heating a mixture of xenon and fluorine in 2:1 ratio at 673 Kelvin in sealed nickel vessel at 1 bar pressure. On cooling, colorless crystalline solid of xenon difluoride is formed. Xenon difluoride can be hydrolyzed to give xenon, hydrogen fluoride and oxygen. Xenon fluoride has linear structure involving sp3d hybridization. Next, xenon tetrafluoride. It is prepared by heating a mixture of xenon and fluorine in the molar ratio of 1:5 in nickel vessel at 873 Kelvin under 6 to 7 bar pressure. It is a colorless crystalline solid. Xenon tetrafluoride has square planar structure. It involves sp3d2 hybridization of xenon and octahedral geometry. The third type of fluoride formed by xenon is xenon hexafluoride. It is prepared by heating 1:20 molar ratio of xenon and fluorine in nickel vessel at 573 Kelvin under the pressure of 60 to 70 bar. Xenon hexafluoride can also be prepared by the interaction of xenon tetrafluoride and dioxygen difluoride at 143 Kelvin. Xenon hexafluoride has distorted octahedral structure and the xenon atom involves sp3d3 hybridization. Xenon fluorides react with fluoride ion acceptors to form cationic species and fluoroanions as follows. Next type of compounds formed by xenon are xenon oxides. Two oxides of xenon are known: xenon trioxide and xenon tetraoxide. Xenon trioxide is prepared by the complete hydrolysis of xenon tetrafluoride and xenon hexafluoride. Xenon trioxide is a colorless solid and it is highly explosive. It is having a pyramidal structure. Xenon forms a number of oxyfluorides such as xenon oxy tetrafluoride and xenon dioxy difluoride. These are formed on partial hydrolysis of xenon hexafluoride. The reactions are given as follows. Xenon oxy tetrafluoride is a colorless volatile liquid and it has a square pyramidal molecular structure. Uses of noble gases. First, helium. It is used for filling balloons and airships in the form of mixture with oxygen for respiration in deep sea diving, for the production of inert atmosphere in metallurgical processes, and for the production of low temperature. Neon. It is used for producing neon lights and it is used in television sets, warning signals, etc. Argon. It is largely used for filling incandescent lamps and in making inert atmosphere. Krypton is used in gas-filled lamps. Xenon is used for the detection of gamma rays and neutrons. And radon is used for treatment of cancer.